How to change the notification sound on Instagram. So for that purpose, this has less to do with your Instagram app, but more to do with your system's notification. So for that purpose, if you have an Android, head over to Instagram, long press on it and click on app information. You're going to click on notifications and make sure that all your notifications are turned on. Now then you're going to make sure you can head over to Instagram DMs. If you want to change the sound of the DMs of Instagram, you're going to click on that, and right down here you're going to select the sound. You either could have a default notification sound, or if you want to have different sound notification sounds for DMs, as well as, when someone hits a follow request for you, can change that up. Let me quickly put this up as elastic ball for a DM. And as far as comments or likes are concerned, I'm going to change this up to bicycle bell. So that way I have an idea that, if a bicycle bell rings, this is for the comments and likes and interactions. But on the other hand, if the other tone or notification sound rings, that is specifically for Instagram DMs. So this is how you can change the notification sound on Instagram.